So to start servicing a routine, we've already ticked the little box at the side. If you notice, it's also defaulted as a routine, so we're going to do a routine. We'll press forward through the program, so the left arrow, right arrow, so the right arrow for forward. And you'll now see a new screen where we've got visit information, special instructions and risk. Risk is optional. Mandatory means that you must view these tabs that are at the bottom, visit information, special instructions. You can individually tap on the tabs, or you can press forward through the program. So if we press forward, it will take us to a visit info screen, and then if we press forward again, we can go on to special instructions. We can also press the pencil button at the bottom, and we can edit any extra special instructions if required. Once we've done that, we can press forward and we'll start our visit. Just wait for a second. There you go. Notice that we picked a routine. It's already defaulted as a routine. If for some bizarre reason it's giving you a different visit type, we can still do the drop down and choose the visit type. That's correct, but we're going to do a routine. And just to show you that the main body of the program is actually the same as before, preps. Press plus to add your preps. We'll just pick any one for this test purpose. So, Biflex. We'll put in 1 litre, and then batch number. Just put in any batch number for this test. But remember, this is a business requirement that you put in your batch numbers. Click on the tick, and that adds it up into your description and quantity. You can do the same for the activity. So activity plus, or pick any one. Let's pick rodents and mice. So once that's done, we press the tick, and there you go, it's gone into the description. You can also do recommendations, or plus. We'll do a little bit of proofing. Door gap, just to show you that the main body of the program is actually the same as previous. Plastic. Okay. Now once we've finished our visit, we can press forward as per normal. There you go, we have a visit summary, so activity preparations, recommendations that we've placed on this visit is all in your summary. Go to your customer tab, sign as per normal, do your drop down, say manager, and then the technician's signature. Again, another business requirement for you to get your visits signed on your PDA. And then we click the finish tab. We've got start time, end time, duration. We'll press forward, and then we'll come up with a new screen at the end of your service, which is your special instructions. Again, if there's any new special instructions that you want to add at the end of your visit, you press the edit pencil at the bottom and add that into your special instructions. Once you're finished, we'll press forward. You'll see that the visit has actually been read. After a couple of seconds, it should, if we go to visit tab, as per normal, once it's gone red, it should turn green after 5 or 10 seconds. If it doesn't, it's just mainly because it hasn't got a signal, so it'll do once it gets a signal. Hopefully it'll do in a second. Not going to do it on this time, so what we'll do is we'll go back to our schedule, and then we can choose our next visit. If you notice, the visit that's been completed is in green. If you have a paused visit, it'll be orange, and a visit that hasn't been completed is in red.